Hi, this is Ana Marie from Mundillo Lace. Today, I'm going to teach you how to put the thread on the bobbins. I like to use this thread. It's 100% Egyptian cotton, Finca Presencia. First of all, I like to put my thread inside a bag. That way, if it rolls, I don't have to chase it. And then the bag, I like to put it in the floor. The correct way is the bobbin over the thread. I pinch it with my index finger and I do a couple of turns until I don't need my finger. And then I start rolling. I hold it tight so that thread is very tight in my bobbin. You keep turning until you have enough thread in the bobbin. I would suggest you not to use any machine to do this process. Do it by hand will help you develop the technique of moving the bobbin. Once you have enough in the bobbin, you're gonna make a loop. You put your 2 fingers underneath, you do a twist in your wrist, and you put it from the back inside the loop. And it's hold. Stays there. Now we're gonna feed into the other bobbin. We cut the thread. We do the same. We put the bobbin over the thread. We pinch it and we start turning. If you are left-handed, you're gonna do the opposite. The bobbin will go under the thread. You pinch it with the finger and you roll. As you could notice, the bobbin is under the thread and you keep rolling until you finish. And you're feeding from your right bobbin to the left bobbin. Or when I switch the bobbins and the bobbin is in my right hand, you notice that the bobbin is over the thread. And it's time to make the loop. If we want to do it as a left-handed, for those person that needs it, just get enough thread. We're gonna hold it. And the same, we twist the hand and from the back, you're gonna go inside the loop. Twist the hand from the back inside the loop. And here's our first pair of bobbins. If you like this video, press like and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you.